Namaste, this is Niraj and I will be conducting a short Yoga Nidra session for you. Yoga Nidra session typically takes around 20 to 30 minutes to complete. Introduction. Begin by lying down in a comfortable position on your back, with your legs slightly apart and your arms at your sides, palms facing up. Make any final adjustments to ensure you are comfortable. If you prefer, you can use a cushion or blanket for added comfort. Body scan. Bring your awareness to different parts of your body, starting with your right hand, and then your left hand. Shift your focus to your right leg and left leg. Move on to your pelvis, lower back, abdomen, chest, upper back, neck, and face. Feel your entire body as a relaxed entity. Breath awareness. Take a moment to notice your breath. Simply observe your natural breath, without trying to control it. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving as you exhale. Continue to breathe naturally and mindfully throughout the practice. Sankalpa, intention setting. Now, let's set an intention for our practice. Take a moment to reflect on a positive affirmation or intention that resonates with you. It could be a simple statement like, I am not afraid of anything, and I am utterly relaxed always. Whatever intention you choose, feel it as if it were already true for you, in the present moment. Rotation of awareness. I will guide your awareness through various points in your body. As I mention each point, gently shift your focus to that area. Starting with your right hand thumb, then your right hand index finger, your right hand middle finger, your right hand ring finger, your right hand little finger, your right hand palm, the back of your right hand, your right wrist, your right forearm, your right elbow, your right upper arm, your right shoulder, your right armpit, your right hip, your right thigh, your right knee, your right calf, your right ankle, the sole of your right foot, the top of your right foot, your right big toe, your right second toe, your right third toe, your right fourth toe, and your right little toe. Now, bring your awareness to your left hand thumb, your left hand index finger, your left hand middle finger, your left hand ring finger, your left hand little finger, your left hand palm, the back of your left hand, your left wrist, your left forearm, your left elbow, your left upper arm, your left shoulder, your left armpit, your left hip, your left thigh, your left knee, your left calf, your left ankle, the sole of your left foot, the top of your left foot, your left big toe, your left second toe, your left third toe, your left fourth toe, and your left little toe. Now, become aware of your pelvic region, your lower back, your abdomen, your chest, your upper back, your neck, your throat, your face, and the top of your head. Visualization. Visualize a serene and tranquil place, somewhere that makes you feel completely at ease and relaxed. It could be a beautiful beach, a lush forest, or a tranquil garden. Imagine yourself there, absorbing the peaceful surroundings, feeling the gentle warmth of the sun or the cool shade of the trees, hearing the soothing sounds of nature, and sensing a profound sense of calm and contentment. Breath awareness. Bring your focus back to your breath. Continue to observe your natural breath, the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen, the gentle inhales and exhales. As you breathe, feel the connection to the peaceful place you visualized, and allow that sense of calm to infuse your entire being. Sankalpa, intention. Now, recall the intention you set earlier in the practice. Feel it with conviction, as if it is already a reality in your life. Repeat it to yourself 3 times silently. Conclusion. As we conclude this Yoga Nidra practice, remember that you can return to this place of relaxation and inner calm anytime you need. Slowly start to become aware of your physical body lying on the floor. Begin to gently move your fingers and toes, awakening your body. Take a few deep breaths and stretch, feeling revitalized and refreshed. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment. Carry the sense of tranquility and inner peace with you throughout your day, knowing that you have the power to find relaxation and rejuvenation within yourself. Thank you for practicing Yoga Nidra. Namaste.